Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing my nighttime cleaning routine. We just finished having dinner, so I'm starting to tidy things up in the kitchen, then in the sitting area, and definitely I'll go upstairs in our family area because Anya and her dad are there earlier playing and having their father-daughter moments. And of course, having a 2-year-old toddler, her toys will be all over the place. So let's get this started.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know
thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hope you like my nighttime cleaning routine. So have a nice day. See you in our next one. Bye!